Hello? Yeah, I just got it. Yeah, it just came in. I just got the mail and I got this package. Yeah, and plus I got this, I got this thing that says stop on it. I think that's from them too. I know, I was looking forward to it. Yeah, I did take the one funnel away challenge and it's been awesome. Yeah, I think my funnel is gonna do really well. What was that? Oh yeah. Okay, just hang on a minute and I'll open it for you. Hang on. Okay, so I got the mail and the one funnel away challenge. Let's see what's in the box. Woo! Wow. Hey, I got my book, my workbook. The one funnel away challenge workbook. I got, oh, it looks like I opened up the box. I got the 2 Comma Club coaching. And yeah, I'm going to be in the 2 Comma Club for sure. That's awesome. Wow. Wow, I've got this present. Wow. Hey, you're going to have to get your own package if you want to know what's in here. And I also got this beautiful USB. Awesome. So this is my one funnel away box.